Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and confirming it is dead. Do not proceed until the tester reads 0. Next, remove the existing device and expose the cable runs, then label the hot, neutral, and travelers so you know which is which. Once the wires are identified, strip 1/2-inch insulation from each conductor and mount the new 3-way switch into the box loosely. Make sure you have the 2 switches and the 3-conductor cable ready. This is where correct labeling saves time. You will now connect the travelers. Attach the 2 traveler conductors to the 2 brass screws on both 3-way switches and ensure consistency at each end. Then connect the incoming hot or switched hot to the common screw. Note the common is usually darker colored. Tie ground wires together and to the green ground screw. Once done, push wires neatly back into the boxes without pinching and secure the switches. Make sure screw terminations are tight. A loose common causes flicker or failure. You finish by restoring power and testing both switches through every position. The light should toggle from each location. If switching fails, cut power again and re-inspect. Ensure the common is on the dark screw, travelers are on the 2 brass screws, and grounds are secure. Also verify no neutrals are switched. If needed, use a multimeter to trace continuity and find an open or swapped conductor. Once correct, mount covers and retest. Proper labeling prevents future errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.